Check it out. What is that? Shout out FTC. The FTC skateboarding mail right up in here. That's what we got. Let's take a look. Ooh. Skateboard. Oh, that's hella tight. I'm back on my materialism. Something's wrong with me. Keep buying skateboards. I don't even skateboard anymore. I suck at skateboarding. I was never good at skateboarding. I just like skateboarding. Skateboard is hella tight though. Like I don't even know. Skateboard is hella tight though. Let's take a look though. Yo, I put this in cinematic. Where's the camera though? Where's right there? That's the camera. Look at the camera. This right here is a skateboard deck art piece right up in here. Collaboration between FTC San Francisco and a carpenter artist man. Call himself IRIS Skateboards right up in here.
What do I do? What do you do here? I use recycled skateboards to create art.
I know his real name, but he called himself Iris, so I'm gonna just call him Iris Skateboards. It's more fun that way.
People are throwing skateboards away. That's free art supply. So I took that and I got creative.
This was number 2 out of 15 for this color. This deck came out with 4 different colors. Might be 15 editions each for 4 colors. So that's all tight. Got the inlay and the recycled skateboards up in here. We'll get some shots. We'll take a look. We're back on the phone vlogs. This is what we're doing. Back on the phone vlogs. I actually been trying to cop one of his skateboards for like a few years now. Just keep missing out. Finally caught one. Got it. The most notable one that he did was the official crooked zip zinger. That's what he did.
I always saw the zip zinger as this like throwback cruiser shape that somehow encapsulates the history of skateboarding from past to present and is fun to ride. To be able to take that shape and make it with my material was an honor.
That's one of my favorite skateboard shapes of all time. Skateboard shapes of all time. Zip zinger. This one, a little bit similar to a zip zinger, but also like not really. This one a little bit chubbier, but I kind of like that too because give you more space to stand on. This is all tight. It's got a wide nose. We got like that diamond point up in here. Tail's kind of wide too. It's not square, but it's got a squareness to it. Look at that. A little bit chubby, but it's rounded off. Finally got one though. If you ever go into a skateboard shop and the skateboard shop kind of look like an art gallery, like all the skateboard shops look like art galleries now, and you pop up in there and you see like a skateboard that's like hella skee ball tickets, like it costs hella skee ball tickets, and you're like, who actually be buying that type of stuff? Like I just bought one. I never thought I'd be that person, but now I just did it. The artwork, this is hella tight. This is hella tight though. This is hella tight though. Check it out. About to take some measurements actually. Take some measurements. 30.75 when you account for the nose and the tail. You just go from the top though. 30.25, 30 and a quarter as we got. That's when you measure in. That's when you measure in just the distance. What's the width? 7.75 right here. Got 7.7. Wheelbase. Let's do the wheelbase. 14. This is a 14 incher right here. It's gonna be squirrely. It's gonna be squirrely whirly. I'm gonna put the grippy up on there. I'm gonna definitely have to make sure I don't cover up the FTC and the IRIS and the Sutro tower up in here and the signature, the edition right here. Top gravity. Is that top gravity? This skateboard got top gravity. That's how tight. Let's go talk about the artwork. This one got the top layer. Actually, this is the bottom layer. I'm tripping. This one got the bottom layer. Got the recycled skateboards. I got the old skateboards, got them stacked up, got them glued together, and then I cut them into veneers. Cut them into veneers the cross-section way, so you can see the cross-section, you see the curve. You see the curve of the old skateboard, that's how it's tight. That's a lot of skateboards. We got the inlay work right up in here. This is the Sutro Tower. This is called Sutro Tower. All the Frisco people know what that is. That's the city icon right there. That's the icon right there. That's the skyline landscape icon right there. That's a radio tower. That's an old school radio tower. That's what it is. It's hella tight. You got the matte finish up in here. It don't reflect the hard light. It got soft light when it reflects. It's good for putting on the wall. That's what it is. Put a light up in there. It don't reflect the hard light. Got the nice spotlight up in there. Good for photos actually. If you got anything with high gloss, sometimes it's hard to photograph. Then when you got the matte finish though, photograph hella nice. I don't know. So this is a 7.75. I used to ride 7.75. That was actually the last size I was riding in high school. After that, I moved up to 8, then 8 1/4. That's what I did. I like little skateboards too though. Little skateboards are some of my favorite skateboards. If I set this up though, I'm definitely gonna put some white wheels up in here. Gotta complete that white wall art gallery. Gotta do the art gallery style with the white wheels. I gotta do. I don't know, should I set it up though? Let's see what happens. Only one way to find out. If I pop out with it in one of the next videos. Shout out FTC, shout out IRIS Skateboards. That's what's up.